Hi everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I have this really cool old registered U.S. mail padlock. Chris Capune sent this to me and I just love it. I have picked it a couple of times playing around and I wanted to share this with you. Now, I don't know, lighting's not too great in here, but I'm going to try to get it where you can read it. And to me it looks like 466, so when I got it, it was about 464. Anyway, I want to see if I can pick this on camera here, and I'm using a Peterson 25 thousandths DeForest. It's kind of bent funny because it's old and been used a lot. See if I can get in here, figure out what I did. There we go. Isn't that cool? So now it's turning around, and after it turns completely around, the number changes inside. And you have to go completely around. You can't go back any at all. It just goes in one direction. So I just set my light down somewhere. Here it is. So we're at 467 now. Isn't that the coolest lock? Thank you, Chris, so much for sending this to me. And this is the first one I've got my hands on. It's going to go into my collection. It's got number, letter G 2962 on there. And look at how it was made. Isn't that neat? I just love this lock. Thank you guys for joining me, and come back real soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.